Yeah, so I had a really old GoPro, it's a Hero 4 Silver, and I had that for a fair few years, and it's sort of, wore out its welcome bit. It's sort of got a bit old. The stabilization was pretty crappy in it. Well, it had none, I don't think. And so I wanted something that was a bit more updated, and I bought one of these. So DJI Action 2 Cam, and really good little camera. It's modular. You've probably read about them on the net. It's magnetic. A couple of little clips there that hold it together, so it's sort of like double the insurance. Yeah, so far it's really good. I use it on my motorcycle helmet, clip it up here. Yeah, it's hung on really well. I mean, I fell off twice in the last ride, and it stayed there. I one of those offs on my bike, I hit my head on the handlebars, so it still stayed and it still filmed and it caught all the action, which is really cool. So yeah, but the only problem is when I use that helmet cam, I can only use it like that. And that means that there is no microphone to plug into that. So when you want to plug an external microphone into it, which is what I wanted to do for other things like travel and stuff like that, you've got to actually have a little combo pack. And so in that, you get a USB-C plug there. And my fingernails are dirty because I've been gardening in the dirt, so I haven't washed them properly yet. So, okay, so that's USB-C. So basically my mics, I've got a couple of Rode mics. Rode's an Australian brand, supposed to be good quality. I think it is. I'm an Australian. It was easy to buy, and that's why I bought Rode. So my Rode microphones were suited to my previous phone, which used a TRRS 3.5 connector, and my new phone, which is a Samsung Note 20 Ultra, has USB-C, and so does the DJI Action 2. So I wanted to hook up a shotgun mic to both of them and a lav mic. And this lav mic is what I'm using right now. So I can't show you the adapter yet because that's what I've got to do this video on. I'm doing this on my phone. So anyway, what I did, my problem was I needed to adapt the mics to the phone and to the camera. So I bought an adapter, that little beauty there, all from AliExpress. Uh, GT Beans must be good with a name like GT Beans, from China, and piece of crap doesn't work. So they give me half my money back. It was only about $5 or $6 anyway. But so anyway, what I do, I buy another one. But this time I bought this one from AliExpress China. I didn't learn my lesson. I go back again. Um, they actually stated in the ad that this will work with the DJI Action 2 cam. Anyway, I got it, and when you plug it in, you should be able to see a little icon in the screen at the top that shows you that it's recognised a mic. Didn't recognise that one, so that's a piece of crap. Told them I give them money back, which so they should. Selling rubbish. Anyway, so what do I do now? Well, I do a little bit more research on the net. Find that you can do it apparently, but you need to have the right adapter, and it has a little chip in it. So the correct adapter has some sort of little chip in here in this end. I don't know what it does, but it does something, and you need that. So I ended up buying a brand called Celbro. It's CELBRO. It's a DAC adapter, and it's 16-bit, 48 kilohertz. That's what's written on it. So people said, "Oh, that probably will work." So I thought, "Oh well, I'll try ringing Rode about this," and they said, "Look, we don't make any adapters like that. We don't know what does work because we've never trialed any adapters, so we can't help you." Anyway, so I thought, well, I'll buy this last one and give it a go. It was only cheap from China, so you know, whatever happens, happens. And I got it, and bloody worked. I couldn't believe it. So that was pretty cool. And then, so that's why I'm making this video to show people that you can actually do it. Because if you're going to work off the standard microphones, they're pretty wind affected and stuff. And with these other mics, you can put dead cats on. Kind of need that. Anyway, so they both worked. But what I did is I had another mic there, and I thought, oh, this is not TRRS, it's TRS. So instead of having 3 black segments there, it's got 2. So plugged it in with the new adapter, and it didn't work. So that's fine. I don't use that mic. I use these other ones. But I just wanted to see if it worked as an experiment. So it doesn't. So anyway, yeah, that's the whole story. It's working for me. I'll include that link to AliExpress and hope you get the right one. Yeah, it's so I hope this helps somebody. It should do, because I struggled to find what I wanted to find, and no one sort of tells you on the internet that much. So yeah, this should be good for somebody. Okay, sayonara.
Get your phone, get your phone.